So here we go, folks. This is the Judge Isaac C. Parker Federal Building. Now, hey, Chief Justice P.K. Holmes III, Federal Judge of the 5th District Court Federally of Western Arkansas, is the individual who likes to make rules like a piece of crap district judge underneath them here for violation of constitutional rights. So we're going to see who has information on how to handle what, where, who, when, why. And we'll see how this works and how it goes. You can read. Try and violate them rights again. Hello.
How you doing?
Judge's order, where there's no recording in here beyond this in the public lobby, whatnot. I need a copy of that.
You need a copy of it?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, there's one down here. You got one over here? Look right over there, man.
Okay, that's the federal, so I have every right to go beyond that security gate and record, because that's all public, and as part of redress of grievance, my protected right, I need to record and document the injustices done to me. So I need P.K. Holmes III's judge's orders that I may not record in this establishment that has cameras.
Right over here, sir.
I know what poster 7 is, sir, and I have every right to do what I'm doing.
It's this one right here.
Oh, he actually put his name on there. Can I get a copy of that, please?
Let me see if I can find you one.
I'd appreciate that greatly. And would you all happen to know where the U.S. District Attorney is?
U.S. Attorney's office?
Yeah, the one for the federal.
Walk around the sidewalk here, down the side, caddy corner right behind us right here.
Thank you, thank you. If you can get that for me, I appreciate it.
Let me see if I can find it.
Yep, I'm here to redress it all. Are you all federal agents or are you private security?
No, sir, we are not federal agents.
So you're private security.
I'm not a federal agent.
Then what are you? Is it that hard to answer a question that's given to you?
I'm not a federal agent.
Then what are you?
I'm an employee.
Federal employee.
I'm an employee, no, sir, of Walden Security.
Of Walden Security.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's what I need to know. Thank you. Oh, visitors mandates, and I guess there's another judge's order also. Isn't that amazing? Let's see if we can get a copy as prescribed, since I have a right to anything public.
How you doing, sir?
Hey, I like what you guys did here, though. This is pretty cool. So let me read this off a little bit. I don't have my glasses. This is Local Rule 3.2, broadcasting, telemarketing, recording in courtrooms evidence. See, that's why when you go in a courtroom, you put in a motion to have it recorded. We're going to teach all the smart-ass lawyers what they don't know. It's amazing how they go by history, but they don't honor it. Just like the pandemic, check out American Jurisprudence, Volume 16. I think it's under Section 97 or 93, Note 98, that it is illegal to use a pandemic or an epidemic to circumvent constitutional rights. Big, big, big violation of law. Oh, you're talking to him? Sorry.
No, I'm talking.
Yes.
Okay, to be in the building, if you're unvaccinated, you have to wear a mask. If you're vaccinated...
American Jurisprudence, Volume 16, Section 93. No judge can violate it. As a matter of fact, I need his sworn oath of office. I also need a copy of that so I can accept
I'll give
it.
you a copy of this, you can read it and sign it if you want.
Oh, I'm not signing nothing.
Okay?
I have every right to do what I'm doing.
No one said you didn't, so... Here.
Now, can you do me one more favor? Can I get his sworn oath of office? I need a copy of it so I can accept it.
I don't have any of that stuff. I don't work with any parts of that. You don't
But I can't go in there with this to redress my grievance.
No, sir, you cannot.
This is what's gonna make my case so good. What's your name, young man?
Adam Irvin.
Excuse me?
Adam Irvin.
Adam Irvin? Probably be subpoenaing you.
U.S. Attorney's Office, sir.
Yes, I'm going to him next.
Follow the sidewalk down to the corner there.
Yes.
Turn to the right. As soon as you go back to that back corner, you'll see a catty corner right across the street. Big red brick building.
All right, God bless you.
Have a good day, sir.
Hey, what's your name again? Your first name?
Adam.
Adam, do yourself a favor. Check out American Jurisprudence, Volume 16, Section 97 or 93, Note 98. It's illegal for what this judge is doing. That is actually a felony, and he can be held liable. Pass it on. Why? Because I can. So we're going to pause this. So they told me the federal courthouse down here, and then we'll go across the street. So, it's on the back side of this big old beautiful building that we have spent millions to be not denied service. It's also a civil rights violation under Title 18 U.S. Code 2381, oppression of rights. It's amazing when you know what you know. And boy, look at that, a judge's order. I get to shove that back up PK Holmes' face. Remember, Judge, your judicial doctrine don't mean shit. It was never ratified, stupid. You're a judge and a fucking idiot, dumbass. So here, they can't even clean. Our tax dollars pay for bird shit everywhere. But oh, I guess I get the bed's too much. United States Attorney's Western Office. Notice, face mask required. Absolutely not. In compliance with precaution measures, for assistance, call us 479-783-5125. Oh, I'll be nailing all your asses for denial of service. You can count on that. Oh, you want to see something else cool, folks? This is the asshole FBI's fucking building. How you doing there, bud? I went in here one time, and actually, they're civil rights. So we'll go file it with them. Let's see how that works out. Kind of sucks when I'm back on my seizure meds, boys. Sucks for you. Nobody ever here. It's not highlighted, but check it out. There's Old Glory. Like I said, I love Amistad Press, but he hasn't had all the injustice done to him that they did to my family. So you can bet your bottom dollar, I'll do whatever I gotta do. Due to COVID zone, we are currently taking complaints via the telephone. Please call 479-573-0702. Learn your statutes, folks. The cowards don't like it when you call them out for being the cowards they are. I like how San Joaquin Valley Transparency, DPN, all them put it down. It's not officer safety. That makes you a coward. Citizen safety makes you a hero. So that's how all that works. Good to go. 380 STX. It's public. You make all the false claims you want as government employees. Actually, you don't have a right to bring charges against a citizen without a citizen standing there and bringing those charges with you. And it actually must be 12. Try reading it. So this is our FBI building. Federal Bureau of Investigation that's closed during a pandemic which supersedes constitutional law. How does it do that, folks? American Jurisprudence, Volume 16, Section 97, 93, Note 98. No epidemic may be used. It is illegal, and it is a felony for government. That's where my lawsuit comes in, and that's where my attitude comes from. So the FBI is located right next to the United States District Attorney's Office. Cam back. Isn't that amazing? Sovereignty, folks. Kings and queens had that. That's what we were granted as American citizens. So for all of you out there who are stupid enough to believe that you're not sovereign, that you're a citizen, you're a fucking idiot. You're a sovereign citizen. Same way as Arkansas asserted its rights for sovereign government against the federal government, I assert that now with my state, my residence, my taxes paid. Always. Got a lot of parking here for public officials, but I sure as hell don't see nothing for the private. Oh, amazing. Do some nice work though. But haven't got my bipolar meds yet. That's all good. I'm all good. That's why you have brakes. Use them. What's going on, young man? Hopefully I can teach these assholes their place. All this security. I guess you would need that security when you violate people's rights consistently every day. So we gonna make this all good. Lawsuit's coming, folks. Now, with them trying to circumvent my rights to a jury trial, Judge Baker, you're an idiot, you're a moron, and you're not worth crap. What is that? 853 WPE 163 YWT. Get used to public, boy. And why? Because I can. Water, water, all beautiful, all beautiful. The architecture of American citizens for what they do for our government employees, and a lot of it is circumvented family and friend money. It's not who you know, it's who they think is going to get blown. Derogatory statement, I apologize. Trying not to be rude, but when pieces of crap think they're gonna circumvent my rights continuously, they're gonna find out. No, they won't. Your judge's order just got you sued, PK. And you won't be listening to a case over me, dipshit. It'll be filed in your court, but it'll go past you, dumbass. PK Holmes III. The moron of morons. Judge corruption. Join the rest of the state of fucking indolent fucking assholes. Piece of shit motherfuckers in government. They trash, they garbage, and now they get to fucking deal with me.
So you gonna post it?
Oh yeah,
What's your name on
brother.
YouTube?
Seven freedom audits. I got a bunch. I just hit the sheriff's office, state police.
7 freedom artists.
Yeah, 7 freedom. The number 7, freedom and audits. What's your name, young man?
Mike Jones.
Mike Jones? Corey Schilt. I don't want to get your face on here.
Is it on YouTube?
I only want the public trash.
Is it on YouTube?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I have numerous things. Started with a school letting my child get bullied, assaulted, well, several of my children's, and they're getting sued too. I'm tying in this whole corporation under the RICO Act. Since they are a corporation,
Right.
they seem to think they aren't. That's why I made Bitch Boy give me his fucking ordinance. Right there is, hey, PK Holmes, when you look at this, remember, I won't be sucking you, you'll be sucking me. Pardon my French. It's called impunity, brother, and I'm pissed. Disabled, I broke my back in the oil field for the constituents of Arkansas, so the redneck motherfuckers around here think they can violate the Constitution of the United States with that good old boy system.
Right.
You can come over here a second, brother, in the shade. Whew. All the citizens realize together, we all bleed red. Ain't that a bitch when color has to come into it? No offense.
No, I already know.
7, freedom, 8, I don't know why I'm spelling it to you, I apologize. These assholes just got me pissed. I've been dealing with this for 7 years, dude. And now I got the money to fuck them to their
7
face.
freedom, what?
7 freedom audits. Yeah, you get it. Audits, A-U-D-I-T-S. You get a chance, man. Check out San Joaquin Valley Transparency, Bay Area Transparency. There's a bunch of good ones. DPN, I mean, you'll like them. But if you like this area, oh yeah, I'm fixing to raise hell here. God bless you. And there you go, folks. Now we'll do it my way with impunity.